The low beam is not working, both sides. So guys, from the dealership, the cost of replacing the low beam is 108. So I went and bought the globe myself, and the cost is, as you can see here. So I'm going to turn off the engine and I'll show you how to replace this bulb. This is the bulb that I bought. So the aim is to get to that part here, this one here. I'm sure, let me try without removing this rubber. If that fails, then I'll try to remove the rubber. Okay. Alright. Okay, so you twist to the left and then you pull it out. Easy peasy. Twist to the left, then pull it out. Okay, so this thing here, you push it out that way and then you pull on the bulb. You push it out, then you pull this, you see, like that. I'm going to replace that with this one, right? So you see, and then just push it in there, make sure it's locked, then I'll put it back in place. It aligns. Then you turn. So we do the same with the other side. This one, I'm doing the right side now, the driver's side. So you just twist it, right? To the right, and repeat the process. I'll show you the after. Now, as you can see, all the lights are on. The low beam, this one is now on. The high beam, the back lights, right? Both sides. Okay. Yeah. This one is now on. Thanks for watching.